Jai Hind everyone, my name is Arun Tomar and in this video I will tell you about National Cadet Corps. Like it is a basic video in which I am going to tell you that what is National Cadet Corps, what is the structure of National Cadet Corps, what is the strength and all the necessary things which you have to know about National Cadet Corps. Before starting this video, I will request you to subscribe this channel called NCC Journey because this channel is going to be very helpful and very beneficial in your NCC journey. So first of all, what is NCC? NCC is the largest armed youth organization of world. As we know that there are many youth organizations in different countries. As we know that there is one more youth organization in our country called NSS, which is larger than NCC, but it is not armed. So that's why NCC is the largest youth armed organization of the world. And also the National Cadet Corps is a youth development movement. It has enormous potential for nation building. The NCC provides opportunities to the youth of the country for their all-round development with a sense of duty, commitment, dedication, discipline and morale, so that they become able leaders and useful citizens. The NCC provides exposure to the cadets in a wide range of activities with a distinct emphasis on social service, discipline and adventure training. The NCC is open to all regular students of schools and colleges on a voluntary basis. The students have no liability for active military service. So this is all about NCC. Now what is the structure of NCC? NCC is divided into 5 levels from top to bottom. The topmost level is DG NCC, which is called NCC Headquarters, and DG NCC is led by the officer of rank Lieutenant General. Then DG NCC is divided into 17 directorates. That means NCC is divided into 17 directorates, and these directorates are comprising of single state and multiple states. Now these directorates have many groups, and these groups are divided further into their battalions, units and squadrons, and later on these battalions, unit and squadrons are divided into companies, and company is the smallest unit of NCC. Now the most important thing comes that who is the Director General of NCC. So the DG NCC is Lieutenant General Gurbirpal Singh, AVSM VSM. An alumnus of the National Cadet Corps, Lieutenant General Gurbirpal Singh, AVSM VSM has now taken over as the reins of the National Cadet Corps, the premier youth organization of the country, as its 34th Director General on 27th September 2021. So guys, as you know that every organization has its training institutes. Similarly, NCC has 2 training institutes in our country. One is Gwalior OTA and second is Kamptee OTA. Kamptee OTA is for male ANOs and Gwalior OTA is for female ANOs, WTLOs and GCIs. Now the point comes how NCC is big. NCC is too big that today we are the family of 1.4 million cadets across the country. Earlier the number is 1.3 million, but recently Ministry of Defence announced the induction of 1 lakh more cadets across the coastal areas. So after adding these 1 lakh cadets, now our strength is 1.4 million cadets across the country. Now what is the battalion composition of NCC? As we know that NCC is divided into many battalions across the country. So there are total 897 battalions in NCC, and out of 897, 737 were from Army, 71 from Air Force and 89 were from Naval. Earlier the number is 814, but recently Defence Ministry announced induction of 83 new battalions. So after adding these 83 battalions, the number is 897. As we know that each and every institution, each and every organization has its own motto. So NCC has the motto unity and discipline. एकता और अनुशासन. Now, what is the aim of NCC? Why NCC is developed? What are the long-term plans of NCC? The first one is to create a human resource of organized, trained and motivated youth to provide leadership in all walks of life and be always available for the service of the nation. Second one is to provide a suitable environment to motivate the youth to take up a career in the armed forces. And third one is to develop character, comradeship, discipline, leadership, secular outlook, spirit of adventure and ideals of the selfless service amongst the youth of the country. Guys, these are the aims of National Cadet Corps. If you found this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe this channel by pressing the subscribe button below. And also you can share with your friends who wanted to join National Cadet Corps.